Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Yesterday we did the 7 days of super deals. We just didn't have the prices, but today we have the prices. They're here. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. 7 days of super deals are here. We knew what was going to be on there for the most part, but now we got to look at the prices, and we'll even dive into the price history just to make sure that there actually are good deals. Some of these we've seen in the past, so we'll know the deals, but we'll look at the history just in case. Badland Apex, 12,000 pound winch with steel rope and wireless remote, $400. It's $200 off, saying that non-member price is at $600, and we'll believe it off of the initial review. $200 off of $600, 33% off. But we will look at the price history just to make sure that that is accurate. 57918 Badland Apex. Looks like it has gone up in price as recently as April 14th, which is unfortunate. Actually went up in price January of this year. So about 7-8 months ago, it was at 580. So not the best sign, but there has been sales down to 480. 480. These could be flash sales. It looks like ITC and super coupon, lowest it was $500. Regular coupon at 480, and looks like that's the lowest that it's been, but it is down to $400, 33% off. Now there has been, which isn't always tracked on the tracker, there has been 40% off of Badland in the past, off of Badland winches. So not the best price, but at least between the 30-40% that we were considering would be a good deal. So that's the Badland. Next, Doyle. 6-inch swivel vise with anvil and pipe jaws, $150, normally $250 off. And this one, right off the bat, we know it's 25% off, which, or 33%, yeah, 25% off if the normal price is $200, $50 off. And the unfortunate thing is we've seen Doyle also 35 to 40% off. So this is not a so super deal, if you're asking the HARBRO. So only 25% off, not bad. 3.6 rocking. It's not bad, not terrible, not great. Then we have the Daytona 3-ton long reach, low profile professional floor jack with rapid pump at $160, $110 off, which puts us at 40% off, similar to Unicorn Day type status. So 40.7% off. So I'll round that up to 41% off, which is an excellent deal. This one, we will look up the price history just to see what we're working with. 64241 has gone up in price. Same when this is the rapid pump orange. Went up to $269.99, which is what we've seen. This was last year, April. Hasn't changed since. And the lowest it's gone recently is recent as April was $169.99, which they brought it down $10 cheaper. So I would say this is an excellent deal. I can't remember every specific deal on the 3-ton long reach, low profile, but I would say this is up there with the best price that this has been at. No recent increase in price. It was last year, and at $110, 41% off. Super solid get. Then we have the Badland 1.5-ton off-road jack with rapid pump and precise descent control, $200, $80 off, which is a huge discount for this. Huge discount for this. These Badlands are some of the ones that don't get deeply discounted often, but $80 off of $280 puts us at 29%. And I don't think this was available during the Unicorn days of 40% off every floor jack, but we are 29%. Not bad for the 1.5-ton off-road jack. And let's look this one up as well. So this has seen a slight uptick. It had gone down in price back in March to $270, and they decided to raise it back up to $280, which is unfortunate. It did come out at $299, I recall that very specifically, because it took the price of the 3-ton off-road jack, which they also hiked up a crazy amount. But at least they fixed it somewhat, but now they're going back in the wrong direction. That was back in March at least. $280 is the original price, or is the current price. Lowest it's been was $230. But getting it down to an even $200 at 29% off, I'm excited about that for the Badland. Badlands don't get that huge of a discount, the off-road jacks specifically. So 29% off is excellent. Viking 4 amp fully automatic microprocessor controlled battery charger maintainer, $20, 50% off. I think we mentioned it in our last video as well. It's like these have been historically 40% off, 40% off, 40% off. So at minimum, we expected that. Don't need to do the math. 50% off. Maybe it's worth a flyer. There's a reason they discount these deeply, and that's because I think they don't sell too much. Who has these? Who wants to give these a positive review or keep us away from it? At 50% off, it might be worth a flyer. And then, of course, Hercules Alert 3/16 to 1 1/8 inch. Number 4, Cobalt step drill bit, 12 steps. And number 5, 8 steps, $25, 50% off. This also sounds familiar. I think they might have been once. Well, let's look it up. 50% off. We don't need to do the math, but we will look it up just in case. 70758. And it has gone up in price, but this was last year. Came out at $45, went up to $50. February of last year, deals have been as low as $39, $35, and $30. But here we have it down to $25. So they've been somewhat deeply discounted, but not recently. This is huge discount on Hercules, 50% off. And then we have the Icon Alert, 52-piece, 1/4-inch drive, compact socket, and bit set. Only 25% off. Unfortunate. Not a bad discount, but just we've seen it sub 50, at least close to $50. We've seen it in the $40 before. It's normally $80, down to $60, 25% off. And we will look at the price history for this one as well. 70695. I don't believe this has gone up in price, and correct. It just has its starting price at $80, and it shows one sale in June of this year, and it went down to $60. And that was an ITC coupon. And they want us to think that this is a super deal when it's already been a deal at 25% off. So not bad. If you need to pick it up, good time to pick it up. I don't expect to see this as a unicorn deal like we did, was it about a year ago, where it was sub $50. I think it's stacked with the 40% off of, maybe, I think it was 40% off of Icon sockets. HARBROs, correct me if I'm wrong. 25% off though, not bad. And then titanium MIG 140 professional welder with 120 volt input, $340, $160 off, normally $500, and that gets us at a 32% off, which is decent. Decent if you're looking for a welder, MIG 140, 120 volt input. Again, titanium in the past has been up to 40% off. So this is at least in the ballpark. And those are the 7 days of super deals. Starting tomorrow already. With these prices, any of these that entice the HARBROs? Anyways, I'll leave it at that. As usual, happy harbor freighting. Let me know what you think. Happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.